Welcome back to Clumsy Panda channel. In today's video, we'll dive into creating a custom hierarchy setup for your character, rigs, and Maya using Python script. This script will help you automate the creation of groups like control, skeleton, mesh, and various setup for streamlined rigging process. If you're ready to enhance your rigging workflow, stick around and let's get started. Our goal with this script is to automate the creation of well-organized hierarchy for character rigging. This setup ensures efficiency, consistency, and easy to use for animators. The process begins with the user prompt to enter a name for the top node of the character. This top node serves as a parent for all the subsequent group, ensuring a structured rig. We start by creating a control setting group. This group will house all the control elements, making it easier to manage and animate. Within control setup, we create three essential sub-skeleton setup for the character skeleton, mesh setup for the character geometry, and extra node for any additional element. The script then generates a comprehensive main setup, the central node for the rig, FK and IK setup for forward and inverse kinematic, IK-FK switch setup for seamless switching between IK and FK, blend shape setup for facial animation and other morph-based deformation. M setup ideal for element that needs to track the target like eyes or weapons. Root setup, a global setup for maintaining the overall structure of the global transformations. Constraint setup and dynamic setup for adding constraint and dynamic elements such as hair. Set driven for driving animation automate movement. These groups are parented in a specific manner to ensure a clean hierarchy. The control setup group is parented to the top node. Subgroup are parented to the control setup. The main setup group are also parented to the appropriately within the hierarchy. By automating this process, we achieve significant time saving, reduced potential for human error, a robust and versatile rig that's ready for complex animation. This script empowers you to focus more on the creative aspect of rigging and animation rather than getting bottled down in repetitive tasks. I hope you find this tool as transformative as I have. Let's open the file that we just created. Alright. So content and file structure. Okay, and let's run it in Maya. One thing that if you haven't done so, it's to take the top function and call it right on the bottom, or you can just like plug it into your shelf however you like. So right now I'm just going to run the script now, and it should prompt you with a window to create the name of your character. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. I hope you found this tutorial on setting up a custom hierarchy in Maya with Python scripting helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow riggers. Don't forget to subscribe to Clumsy Panda for more tutorial on game development, rigging, and Python tool. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new content. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy rigging.